These are the fine. These are the fine things done after the initial painting. The eyes, the ears, the trunk, and the lines on the palm. We have our artist. He is doing the tilak of Ganpati ji. What beautiful strokes. These have to yet to be done, I guess. This is partially done. This is partially done. Great. This is absolutely done, and this is the third one in the making. So that's how the painting, the fine work is done, and so I guess he has taken 8 at a time. And I'll be coming more with the diamond work. And also if I get a chance, I'll be showing you how it is put in the clay. And in the mold. How the clay is put in the mold and the actual idol is prepared. So if I get a chance to go to the factory, I'll be showing that as well. And this is the artist. So that's about it for today. That's how it's done. We are actually at the Ganpati making factory, Ganpati idol making factory, and this is how the painting is made. I'm not showing the way it is cast in the mold and taken out. It's just the idols, unpainted idols, and how the painting is done. So this one is almost ready made, almost done. Yeah, it's done. And we have another one out here. Then we have a third one, which is simply awesome. Okay, so this is how it's raining outside, so probably I might not be that audible. And we have plenty of unpainted idols out over here. So this is the view, the entire view. of this place. Plenty of idols out here, and still to be painted. There's still a lot of time for the festival. The actual festival is going to start in it's in the month of September. So we are way ahead and doing the preparations really well. So that's about it. And these are some really beautiful idols. The Daglu sheet model is still to be prepared fully. I'll be showing the idols later. These are the few ones. These are the small ones. The huge ones are yet to come. I guess they'll be starting with the small ones earlier first. And these are the ones which are actually these are Daglu shade models. I guess one of them is Daglu shade idol, and this is how I'm feeling so blessed at this place. This place has such a positive vibration. This idol out over here. This idol out over here. Few of the idols are actually beautiful. Once they get painted and all the diamond work is done, they're going to turn out really awesome. This one has still to be made, the hands and all. And this one is the Daglu sheet model. It's awesome. I guess it's it's almost 4 feet. 4 feet. This one is good. This one is good. This one is good. And this place is kept neatly by the owner, so it really looks neat and tidy. Though it's raining completely outside, not a single drop around here. This is on the main street. They're not put in the corner. And this is we have a painter actually doing the painting, busy with his work. So this is actually a spray painting done by him. One of the idols is almost done. It's a beautiful idol out here. So much of hard work is put into this. Really commendable job. Artists are giving their 100%. I don't know how much they are paid, but then they really put a lot of. It takes a lot of effort, lot of hard work, lot of concentration into this. This is actually a box of colors. This actually happens to be a box of colors. These are all colors lined down, and few colors out here. And this is the instrument you would be taking. आपलं नाव काय? Okay. The artist's name is Umesh Panchal, and he's doing a commendable job. It's a beautiful idol. This is they basically start with 4 at a time on a revolving table, so that The owner's name is Deepak Naik, and we are in Kalyan West, just opposite to Rosali building, near Jholelal Chowk. So it's an awesome, very neat, clean and tidy, and spacious place. Great work, simply. They are putting so much of effort. Sometimes artists are unappreciated, and I feel really bad for the little amount of recognition they get. But then a lot goes into the making of the Ganpati Bappa idol that we bring at home. So this is how you make it. And I am actually going to show the diamond work and all later, because this is just the starting phase that he is into. And these are a few of the idols he's still making. It's on actually a revolving this he's doing 4 at a time, which actually requires a lot of skill. This one is almost done. This place is actually alright. So that's about it, folks, and rest of the part 2 I'll be bringing. I'm more interested how he would be putting the diamonds and sticking the diamonds on the for the decoration of jewelry and all. So I'll be coming up with the next video, next shot again, and it might take some time, so I'll consult with the man. It's really awesome feeling over here. Such a positive vibe in this place. Alright, so there we have Ganpati Bappa Moria